Unit 10, Nature. Part 1. Listen to the dialogue and repeat.
Is the whale red? No, it isn't. It's grey and white.
Part 2. Listen and repeat.
Frog, ladybird, bee, whale, dolphin, shark, bear, pigeon.
Part 4. Listen to the dialogues and complete. 1.
That is a frog. It's small. I like frogs.
Is the frog green?
Yes, it is.
2.
This is a ladybird. I like ladybirds, but I don't like spiders. Is the ladybird yellow? No, it isn't. It's red and black.
Part 6. Listen, tick or cross.
Hi, I am Roy. I like dolphins, but I dislike sharks.
Hello, I'm Rachel. I love bees and pigeons, but I dislike bears.
Hi, my name is Sam. I like sharks, but I dislike frogs.
Part 8. Listen and point.
There are 3 dolphins in the sea. There are 2 bears on the mountain. There is 1 whale in the sea. There are 4 ladybirds in the forest. There are 5 bees in the sky.
Part 10. Listen and sing the song.